Dewo. This is Derek One with the Medicine Shell. So one of the best ways to learn the Igbo language is to start by learning the kola nut breaking ceremony, right? Learn how to break the kola. That is one of the best ways to learn the Igbo language. If you are interested in learning the kola nut breaking ceremony and you're also interested in learning the Igbo language, you can do both by signing up at www.kedu.me. We're starting classes the week of August the 26th, and this is the time that everybody signs up, so hurry up and reserve your seats. Now, the reason I say you should start with the breaking of the kola nut is that our ancestors did something very brilliant, and that is that they put every single thing it takes to understand the Igbo language, the Igbo culture, the Igbo way of thinking and seeing the world and connecting into that one ceremony. By learning how to break the kola nut, you've now learned how to pray the way your ancestors prayed. You have